I need to explain it in Sinhala?
English is better.
It's better, right? I am the principal of the Nest Academy. The Nest Academy is a charity project by the Paus Foundation for Goodness. We are basically handling hospitality management courses, diploma level, hotel courses, hotel management courses. And we are registered with the government, Ministry of Vocational Training and Skill Development. And we are basically conducting NVQ level courses, right? So that's our core business here in the school. So we have been affiliated with the Ceylon Hotel School, Tourist Board, the ministry and all that. So we are a reputed school where we, give out valuable certificate which will be recognized by the country as well as overseas. But when she came to me and wanted to conduct this particular cake packaging course, I thought for myself it's a good venture, especially for the women who are staying at home doing nothing, and also for youngsters to develop a good business model where they will have a lot of potential, right? Where they can earn money. Actually, our motto, our theme here in the school is to empower youths, right? We want to, light their life. We are not here to make profits. So, as a school, I was proud when she came and introduced herself and said, "Sir, I wanted to conduct a class. Whether I can get the school to come, part and partial and as a joint venture and issue a certificate for those who are following this course." So it's in the negotiation level. We as a school, we are proud to come on board with her and to give you a valuable certificate, but subject to certain conditions. You as a student, you will be registering with the school. She will be the course director, right? She must have given your email numbers and everything, but all your details, application has to be filled here in the school, Nest Academy. So you will become a Nest Academy student. And she had carved out the course will be for 4 months, right? During this 4 months, you will have about 32 classes. Per a month, you will have about 8 classes, right? So there will be people who will be learning online as well as some of them, they will come physically and get involved in the training. And basically the classes would be conducted maybe for 1.5 hours to 2 hours the maximum. But as students in school, we have certain regulations. Everyone should be abide by the rules, right? We will be providing you with the uniform. You can come in your colored uniform and all that, but overall like kind of a uniform you should be wearing during your practicals here at this institute, which will carry the Nest Academy logo. That is number one. If most of them are Muslims, okay, you don't have to wear a cap, but you can make sure that your soul is, because there is hardly anything that you do with the food, it's just a packaging, so that we have no issues, to consider about fingernails and, wearing a cap and all these things won't come, but only a, cloak like overall kind of a shirt that you'll have to wear on top of your private uniforms, right? And if it comes to the school, punctuality is a must. If the classes are set at say 9:30, you have to come. If you come late, you are out. That is how we do. Discipline is number one factor, right? So if the time factor is allocated from say 9:30 to 11 or whatever, that time if you are not here, And you can't come on time the way you want, right? You got to discipline yourself because we have to allocate facilities, everything accordingly. If the classroom is to be allocated for this particular period, we have to make sure that it is done within that period, not thereafter. And then she will be explaining you basically what would be the course fee. And do you want me to explain or you will be doing it what?
Whatever, sir.
Right. So we are doing a test run basically. We don't want to make profit. We only want to cover our cost. So initially there will be an admission fee of 5,000 rupees, which will cover your certificate and the uniform cost. That we will take it as admission fee, right? And every month, for 8 classes, you will be paying 5,000 rupees. That is your course fee. Into 4 months is 20,000. Right? Those who are doing pretty well in the exams and so on, we are trying to consider give some scholarships or return the money or whatever, but that is subject to be negotiated because we are at the initial stage. Our intention is to empower and educate people and let them start a business on their own. You don't have to totally depend on your husband or your parents, right? You should be able to make some money while, performing your duties as a mother or a wife. That is the intention that we have. So at the end of the course, the Nest Academy can give you a certificate, right? Being a registered institute with the Vocational Training Institute, our certificate, you will have some validity in it. But you won't be getting NVQ kind of a certificate, government kind of a course, because we want to take this syllabus to them, and maybe later on we will also get NVQ qualification for this course, so that you will have a national vocational qualification. But so far, they have not recognized. We have to take our syllabus, modules, and training, who is going to train and the duration, all that. Then we should be able to get the authorization as an NVQ level 3 or 4. That is going to be by that time, if you become a past student, we will try to reverse your attendance and everything, and then try to get you also the qualification, because this is the first inauguration, and don't worry about it. Once the qualification is obtained, we can apply even for past students, that we have to do a little bit of documentary evidence that we can do. And attendance for classes. In this course, we are having only 8 classes per month. It's a must. If you don't come for classes, we don't repeat it. You are going to miss it, and then you will not be able to get your certificate. I need at least 90% attendance to issue my certificate from the school, right? And in the school there are certain other rules as well. If you are coming, you will be permitted to come in. And if you are coming with someone else who is going to be seated in the front, you have to obtain the approval from the principal beforehand. You have to justify. Because of the COVID rules, we will not be able to entertain many people coming in and going. If you are a student, yes, we will give you a student card. That is like your identity card to be here inside the hotel, school, right? So therefore, everyone has to produce your ID card, copy of your ID card, as well as your birth certificate, for us to register yourself as a student. Okay? So, during this time, will there be any prayer time taking place? I don't think so, isn't it?
Mainly we are focusing on online and offline as well, sir.
No, I mean,
So, we
one,
have to
the
fix the
people who
time
are
first.
coming physically,
Yeah.
because for 1.5 hours you don't need any prayer
Yeah.
time to be allocated, right? Okay. And the children or the students are required to follow all COVID regulations, wear masks, clean hands, right? All that is mandatory requirements. I think with that short description, uh, we would be welcoming all of you on board. This is a very valuable, very interesting course. I think is Amitabh's, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, she will make it a very joyful training, and you all will become professional, where you will be able to start your own business without any guidance, supervision if you follow this course. So I wish all who are supposed to join today for this course all the very best with their studies, and this is just the inauguration, but we will schedule all the classes, everything, fees, everything. We will be sending all the information to every student prior to commencing of courses. And even the timetables will be given to you well in advance, so that you can make sure that your other arrangements will not fall in line with the classes. Right? You will be free to follow the classes. Any questions that you want to ask from me? It's a time for you. Now we'll hand it over to Ms. Amitabh to continue with the presentation, where you will be very much educated on the course to be followed in time to come. Right? So thank you very much and all the best. Thank you, Ms. So that you can continue.